Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. What are we making today? Today's menu is muffin brownie.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's
These are the ingredients for today's recipe.
leading us. And love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
First, keep a hot water in a pan and place a bowl over it.
And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways. And on.
Add chocolate and butter into the bowl and melt it using steam from the water.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing
Once the chocolate and butter is mixed together, keep it aside.
along. I don't wanna miss a beat.
Now, add egg and brown sugar in a bowl and whisk them together till the sugar dissolves.
Wastelands through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Check whether the sugar is dissolved into the mixture.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
Get the chocolate mixture and add the egg sugar mixture in one bowl together.
In number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways. And
Add both the mixtures together and mix using a spoon.
hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Use the spatula to mix the batter together. Don't use a hand mixer for this.
Shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll
Now, take another bowl and mix the flour, cocoa powder and baking powder together.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these
Now, add the flour mixture to the chocolate mixture slowly and continue mixing.
to be. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
Make sure that the flour mixture is added little at a time into the chocolate mixture.
Go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Put the completed mixture in the muffin molds.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 30 minutes. Then bake the muffins at 180 degrees for 30 minutes.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Please share this video with your friends and family and click the notification icon for new videos in the future.
Through